why not just let you guys help me do it? So I just thought to ask my amazing IG family to ask me any questions, something they are curious to know about me. Hello! It's finally happening. After overthinking this for so long, I actually thought so long and hard on how to start my YouTube channel or what to post as my first long form YouTube video, and then it's me. Why not just let you guys help me do it? So I just thought to ask my IG family, my amazing IG family, to ask me any questions, something they are curious to know about me, just anything regarding my content or my hair journey or just any random stuff, and I'm going to be answering all of the questions in this video. I would also be moisturizing my dry hair while at it. So if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Curliemide, but I'm Curliemide on my social media platform. I'm a natural hair lover. I share DIY tips, hair care tips, beauty tips, everything beauty care and the likes. So if this is your vibe, just hit that like button and subscribe button to join my community. Alright, so to the first question, how long have you kept your hair natural? I've been natural for roughly 3 years. I can remember I had my first natural hair for 5 years before having a big chop around 2022. So I've been keeping my hair since 2022 till now. That's like 3 years. So to the second question, how are you so pretty?
Oh my god! Wow!
That's so sweet. Thank you. Okay, I'd say it's just a mix of self-care and actually embracing my natural self. So thanks for those sweet words. Okay, enough of feeling myself. I got so carried away forgetting that I said I was going to be moisturizing my hair while answering this question. The third question, tell us why you're so gorgeous. Okay, that's similar to the one I just answered, but I really do appreciate your kind words.
Thank you.
To the next one, why do you start creating content? The main reason I started creating content was my love for natural hair care and wanting to document my hair growth journey with the hope that it inspires a natural hair girlie out there or just anyone to embrace their natural hair. What actually gave me the push was my husband, because I usually watch I create content. Gave me the push I needed to kick things off, because newsflash, I used to be camera shy, but creating content has helped me overcome that. Next question, if you were to start your natural hair journey all over, what would you do differently? This question because I used to do nasty things to my hair when I first went natural before having a big chop. I used to do a lot of things because I hear a popular creator say, oh, this thing is actually good for hair growth. Oh my god, your hair will grow faster, 10 times faster. I'm doing it. I don't care whether it's for my hair type or not. I'm putting anything and everything on my hair so long I hear the word for faster hair growth. If I were to start my natural hair all over again, I would learn to prioritize healthy hair over length, then learn to know what works for my hair type and actually sticking to it. The next question, how old are you? Sorry if it's weird of me to ask, and how do you learn to style your hair? It's not weird. I'm guessing you are just curious to know. I'm 25 years. I actually learned to style my hair through making other people's hair. I'm actually a professional hairstylist, and it all started from making my mom's and siblings' hair. So I decided to learn it professionally while I was in secondary school. Like, I would close from school around 2 p.m. and spend the rest of my day in the salon learning how to make hair. I really love styling people's hair. So the next question, what made you start content creation and what did you do to deal with the difficulties it comes with? I guess I already answered this question. This question is similar to the one I answered earlier. But anyways, I would answer to the other one that says how I deal with the difficulties that comes with creating content. We all know that creating content is really hard. From thinking of what to create to scripting, editing, and actually posting the content. What I actually do is to always write down my ideas as it comes. Then I develop, and sometimes I batch create my content. When batch creating doesn't work, I tend to repurpose existing content. Yeah, I break it down into smaller bits so I don't just run out of content to post. Let's say I make a full content about me styling my hair and also doing my makeup. I'd just section the content into 4 to 5 different contents. I would get a POV video from me, transition video, hair tutorial video, and also the makeup tutorial. So doing that helps me to manage the stress that comes with creating content. I think this thing is almost finished. To be honest, it gets tiring sometimes. Like, creating content gets really tiring. Like, I run out of ideas sometimes, I'm stuck. But what I do is just to keep learning from other creators, and then boom, I get inspired to create my next content. So to the last question, how do you edit your videos and what are the contents that go viral on IG? I edit my videos on CapCut. I don't really do much, just the basic editing. I might just get to make a tutorial on it and drop it for you guys. So to the content that goes viral on IG, to be honest, I can't really tell, because the way the algorithm works is very funny. I'm still like exploring with different types of video, because you know, sometimes the videos that you pour your heart and soul into might not even do the numbers. But you see that video that you are meh about, that you don't even really you didn't put that much effort into creating it, will be the type that will just blow up on the internet. But you can just explore with different forms of content that, you know, that interests you. But like, I think the kind of content that people like are relatable content, funny content, educational content, you know, something that entertains people. So you can just explore with different types of content, whatsoever that inspires and, you know, that you love is what you should try out and put out there, regardless of whether it goes viral or not. You know, just do you. That's just it. If you've watched this video to this point, thanks for sticking around. And to those that sent in their question, thank you guys so much for participating. And I hope this has helped you get to know me better. So if this is your vibe, I mean natural hair and beauty, kindly hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.